video today. So today, it's going to be relatively interesting. For one, there's way more people in my car. Bay's in the car and his sister's out in the back. As you guys can see, she's eating. So, I'm going to let Bay pretty much describe what we're going to do since he actually came up with this idea. So, go ahead, Bay.
So, pretty much, we're going to see how many times does McDonald's tell us that their ice cream machine is broke or down. Because every time we go to get ice cream from McDonald's, they always tell us the ice cream machine is down, so we never end up getting it. So we're going to see how many times they're going to use the excuse today.
Yep. So let's exactly find out. And I'm about to drive to the first one and see where we can get ice cream. Okay, so we made it to our very first McDonald's. This one's different though, because it's like a classic McDonald's, I think.
So you get
3 ice creams?
this one.
This one? Okay. Yes, may I please get 1 ice cream cone, please? Yes, that will be it. Thank you. What? They actually have ice cream? Wow.
I think it's because it's the classic one.
Yeah, I should probably show them what it is. Hold on, let me see. Why can I listen it up right here? Here, grab this. Let me see. There we go. There aren't even places to eat. Wow, they actually made it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here you go. Here.
Did you get a napkin?
Yeah. Thank you.
That's the wrong one.
Oops. Oh yeah, that's not mine. 1 vanilla cone. Well, go ahead.
Why let somebody bit my ice cream out? Yeah, somebody
see
with
it.
rabbit teeth bit my ice cream. No.
No, you had to try
Ice
it.
cream. I did that too.
Alright.
I get the next ice. Is it good?
Y'all know I'm lactose.
Well,
Is it good?
Yeah.
I get the next one then.
oh, now you want another one.
Yeah, you just had ice cream.
Man, my stuff gone.
All right, so we already tried the first one. Now we're going to the second McDonald's. It's small. Oh my gosh.
Shit, people on this on bikes. Bike drive through.
All right, here we go. Oh, and there's some. Hello.
They must have got 8 by the zombies.
Hello. So this is like a robot one. Hold on, let me see.
I'm trying to make sure we all went like that.
Hello.
Go to the trash can. It was like, let me get up.
I guess nobody's here. Is this McDonald's closed?
This
Oh. May I please get a ice cream cone?
That it?
Yeah, that's it.
$1 for a round.
Thank you. That's two.
told you need to go to the hood. The
That's
hood.
2 for 2. Oh my God. Okay, so we've got bad luck here.
Go to the hood. I told you, boy. They just don't be wanting to get the ice cream.
Okay. We're gonna have to go get the other one.
$1.
Thank you.
Carol.
You want one?
My tongue's still frozen.
Well, I thought no one was here, but I stand corrected. It's good.
And my stuff ain't big.
Yeah, you got a better buttercomb than I did butter man gave you yours. You know, they don't like to wash their hands. But that's beside the point.
Why would you say something like that? So you tell people you don't like washing your hands.
No, but I see,
You a man,
I be
right?
seeing a lot of men that don't wash their hands in there.
Thank you. He was weird. I didn't think he wanted anyone to get anything from the drive-thru. He charged you $1? You welcome. Off to the next one.
I barely get any sleep.
Okay, McDonald's number 3. You think we'll get some?
I don't know. Last time they told me the ice cream machine was broke. So they better keep that same energy.
Okay. Wait, am I in the right way?
Down these rooms.
Okay.
Why you ain't go to the first one?
Alright. Hello?
Hi, thank you for using McDonald's. What can I get for you?
Yes, can I please get a ice cream cone?
Yeah, anything else? Thank you.
Nope, that's it.
All right, thank you. This is $2. Second one, please.
Thanks.
Why he just don't.
Alright.
Why he just don't slow down and let his words come out?
You gotta get away when I don't gotta stop because I gotta weigh it every day. Oh, that's how you will never stop me. He tried to get a deal.
He said thank you before I
He
even.
said second window.
Second
Oh,
one.
saying, oh,
Listening skills out of you.
sorry. Oh, the thing is so far.
That's your ice cream cone?
$1, please.
Oh gosh.
Thank you.
Let me put myself in drive before I drive off. Thank you. Oh,
Have a good night.
thank you.
Huh?
The ice cream cones getting worse and worse.
Swear to God it is. I had the best ice cream, even though I had a bite to that mine.
Oops. Let's take that off working.
You check your ice cream. Yours had a blowout out the bottom.
No, it didn't. I feel like yours was the shape the best.
So McDonald's want to be on their, was it McDonald's? For somebody try to slander me, they now everybody want to be on their best behavior. This some bull.
All right, we're gonna go try.
Let's go to the hood.
Okay, we're gonna go try 2 more, and then we'll see what happens here.
I'm nervous about this one.
This is the fourth
In the hood getting ice cream.
place. 4th ice cream. Oh Lord. Hello?
Probably talking to him. Probably talk to you one at a time.
What's the point of having 2? And now they're gonna answer me.
Hi, how may I help you?
Hi, yes, may I please get an ice cream cone?
Okay, is there anything else?
No, I think I'm good.
109 for Cinda.
Wow.
109.
They charged me $109. Now on that note,
You can just turn off.
I'm gonna turn right here. And turn.
She's sighing.
Oh no, we terrible. 109. And they probably made an ice cream.
They trying to pocket 9 cents. Boy, I
Dang.
told you about the hood.
Dang. Take 9 cents more. And we
Okay,
just
so
went-
that was one more that they would have gave us the ice cream.
Okay.
Even though we done paid $1 everywhere else. And that's $1.09 here.
They gonna charge us next.
Taxes on the west side.
Yeah. That's the west side taxes.
Alright, we're gonna try the other one. This will be the what? 5th McDonald's? So we'll let you know when we get there.
I'm gonna be shocked if all of them ice cream machine work.
Seriously?
I have never
But
been
I
ice
feel like it's only gonna be like that when it get warm outside. Watch. Like once it get warm outside, then that's when
We should do a second one once it get hot outside.
Yeah. Well, nicer.
Maybe it ain't been getting no ice cream because it's hot, so ain't nothing been breaking. Or they ain't tired of getting ice cream yet.
Well, probably management got on them like, hey, they ain't been saying that we don't supply ice
Should
cream
have
no
pulled up
more.
there like, can I get some chicken nuggets? And they gave you the sauce. See if they give you two.
That'd probably be the next one. That's a good idea.
All right, y'all. We'll see you when we get there.
This the
then.
is your ice cream machine working challenge.
All right, babe.
And this one you just can't bail off.
Well, we gonna bail off too. We don't want no more
And
ice
me on
cream.
the ground.
And we flexing in, you know that.
Okay, so this is the fifth McDonald's. Oh, I forgot there was no entry here. This is how you know I've been here forever. Oh, that's right. They made this one look nice now. Oh, well, I'm gonna have to hear that. We will just. Oh my God, too soon.
This is Taylor's, what you call it, name?
Oh,
Dang, they ordered $18.
$18 worth of McDonald's. And 20 McNuggets. And 3 barbecue
Hi, go ahead
sauce.
with the order, please.
Yes, please. May I get a ice cream cone?
Anything else for you?
Nope, that's it.
$1.19 is the first one to go ahead and pull around, please.
One night.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What?
119.
Whoa, now y'all seeing that? The West Side be finessing.
One was down the street. The other one we went to was 109. That's down the street. Now this one is 119.
That's
Oh yeah,
crazy.
they trying to get some pocket change.
Man.
19 cents add up.
I'm gonna call corporate.
Oh,
The McDonald's, they
no.
give like a.
Whole
Where's the receipts at? We literally paid $1.
I have one right here.
The whole time they out here.
Yep, one.
$1.
Let me see.
Mine was $1 too.
$1.
What?
Everywhere else we paid $1.
Look. $1.
You can't finesse a finesser.
That is crazy. You know what? On this note, so what can we say? What can we say?
That's bull and I'm
That
glad
ever-
everybody had ice cream, but it's just the fact that they out here they trying to like charge you way more. Like they trying to charge you a lot more.
They're around here finessing. They can't finesse a
for
finesser. I'm
ice
just
cream
saying.
cone when everybody else is $1.
I do
How
this.
did you go? How did down the street say 109 and
119.
119?
And then from all the what side of town we're behind, like the Hilliard and Dublin area? What side is that?
That's
the-
far west.
So
I
the
would
far
say.
west is just $1, and once you get closer
Then
to
we
the
in
west
the
side,
we in the west
Right.
right
it's
now.
109 or
last time I
119.
checked, ice cream
We
was
should go
ice
out. We finna go out east and get some ice cream.
Man, listen.
Wow.
They probably charging $2 for ice cream over there.
That is crazy.
You don't want to go to Grove City. You go to
Oh,
Grove,
anyone in Grove City?
you go to Grove City.
Want to go to that one?
Hey,
Last
let's
one?
check.
$2.
Yeah,
You want to do one more?
yeah. We gonna do
All
one
right,
more.
one more, and then we call it a night. Okay.
I was saying the words in my head.
I'm like,
I think you look crazy. I was at the park. God show me the way because the devil trying to break me down.
the whole song playing. All I said was Whitby, Whitby, Whitby.
I was waiting on the I want Jesus. I even had the video playing in there.
I hate when people have their garage doors open. Like, you know, it's not such thing as hot wiring, right?
You know,
You had to go.
you just went because I went.
Oh my
Here we
gosh.
go.
Now,
So I just chose to be sick at the same time you chose.
all right, how much y'all think this is going to be?
This is gonna be $2.
Yeah, this is gonna
Oh,
be
they look like they
$1.50.
closing. They're going to be mad at us.
They drive through don't close.
Yeah, I say it.
Okay. Let's go to the other one because it's easier to drive out.
Alright, whose ice cream this gonna be?
I don't want to watch curry.
No, I'm good. I'll drive off. They gonna start recognizing our car and they gonna give us the more ice cream. I think I'm preparing myself for that. That's probably the most we've ever been in a McDonald's drive-thru.
For real, I haven't had McDonald's in like 5 years.
That's crazy. I want to try their slushies though.
Don't pull off too fast because I do see the police. They just came up out of Tim Hortons.
Oh Lord.
There go the boys.
They'll be like, let's get them, guys.
Yes, please. May I get a ice cream cone? Nope, that's it. Thank you. Are you kidding?
She said
$139.
Oh my
She
gosh.
said
I really just lost
$139.
somebody. This is
Oh no.
outrageous.
$139.
Oh my god.
That is crazy.
They charge a street tax for this.
7.5%. That is
Well, I'm scared to
crazy.
go anywhere else because I feel like it's gonna be $2.
Yeah. All these, I told you, it's about probably $5 for ice cream.
Man. Wow.
Oh yeah, they tweaking. I don't know what type of that ice cream got crack in it, huh?
Oh wow. I don't want no surprises in my stuff.
That is crazy. I'm like, did I hear her right or am I just...
139. Boy, now this was only supposed to be just to see whose ice cream machine would be broke. But we done taught y'all a lesson. They charge different prices for the ice cream
On different
everywhere
sides
you
of
go.
town. Different sides of town.
We went from getting ice cream from $1 to getting ice cream
For $1.09
for $1.09
to $1.19.
yeah, $1.19
To
to
$1.39.
yeah, to $1.39.
Oh my gosh. Do you think they'll be charging $1.50?
That's
Can
crazy.
you check
Probably down the street they probably do.
Okay. Last one?
What, we doing another one?
No. I'm just
That was
saying
the last
so far.
one.
Yeah, well, that's the last one. Well, anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned with these guys.
And do not pay $1.39 for ice cream.
No.
Dollar ice cream.
You might as well go to Walmart and buy your own.
Do not get finessed by the finessers.
But anyway, I hope you guys have a great night, y'all. And we will just see you guys in the next video. Bye.